I'm Bob. Welcome back to 5 Minute Econometrics, a course dedicated to fundamental econometric concepts and estimation methods. Over the past few days, we have examined how to use a dummy explanatory variable to indicate the implementation of a policy. We estimated the model using the OLS method to uncover the causal effect or the Ceteris Paribus impact of that policy. Today, we will explore several challenges that arise in policy analysis and program evaluation when we attempt to establish a causal relationship between the policy and its outcome, as well as the methods used to address these challenges. The first challenge we face is omitted variable bias. This occurs when relevant variables are left out of a model, yet they are correlated with the policy being studied. In other words, these omitted variables influence the outcome variable and are also related to the policy dummy variable. For example, consider a model that uses a dummy explanatory variable, chain, to indicate whether a worker has received job training. This variable equals 1 if the worker was assigned to job training and 0 otherwise. The outcome variable is the logarithm of real earnings expressed in thousands of dollars. When we regress the log of real earnings on the training dummy variable, we find that the slope estimate is 0.18 with a p-value of 0.129. This indicates that the effect of job training on earnings is not statistically significant at any conventional level below 12%. At first glance, one might conclude that there is no causal relationship between job training and earnings. However, a close look at the racial composition of workers who received job training reveals a different story. Using the tabulate command followed by the gray and black variables allows us to create a two-way table of frequencies. The column option provides the percentage of cells within each column. The first column shows that only 10% of non-black workers received job training, while 48% of black workers did. The discrepancy indicates a significantly higher percentage of black workers received job training compared to non-black workers. If we examine the table using the row option, we find that among workers who did not receive job training, 79% are black. Among those who did receive training, 97% are black. Most of the workers who received job training are black workers. This highlights a systematic difference in the racial composition of workers with and without job training. When we add the dummy variable black to the model, the estimate for job training changes dramatically. It rises to 0.30, much higher than the previous estimate. Importantly, this result is statistically significant at a level as low as 1.6%, indicating strong evidence for the impact of job training on earnings. Workers who have received job training earn 30% more than their counterparts who have not, when controlling for racial factors. This is an example of omitted variable bias. A straightforward solution to this issue is to include the omitted variable as a control variable in the model. In our job training example, the variable black serves as a control variable that accounts for the earnings gap across different races. After eliminating earnings difference due to race, the OLS estimate for job training is more likely to capture the true earnings difference resulting from job training. For more information about omitted variable bias and potential solutions to alleviate it, please refer to Topic 13 and Topic 14 in this course. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Take care. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.